Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Hi! Today we are making a very simple, easy and healthy recipe, baked chicken with veggies. Let's start making the marination of the chicken first. For that I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of meat masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now, freshly ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and half a lemon juice squeezed. Mix it all well, and then I use 1 tablespoon of curd and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it all well to make it a thick paste. Once our paste is ready, we coat the chicken and keep it aside. Here I'm going to use fresh chicken pieces which I've bought from the mart. They're easily and readily available anywhere. I usually marinate my chicken and keep it for the next couple of days or for any work day because it's a quick and easy meal to make. And during my weekdays, I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and baking is one of the best solutions. So I put everything into the dish, leave the timer on, and I have my meal ready in a very short time. Now the chicken needs to be marinated for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So in the meanwhile, we get our vegetables ready. I'm going to be using some broccoli, red capsicum, green capsicum, spring onions. Now we preheat our oven for 15 minutes at 220 degrees. And then we make our dressing while our oven is getting heated. Now for the dressing, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, fresh pepper, quarter spoon salt, quarter spoon honey. Mix it all well. Now we grease our baking dish. Place our chicken in the center. And the veggies around. Pour our dressing over the veggies and place the dish in the oven. Set the timer for 30 minutes and leave the temperature at 200 degrees. Our chicken's ready. Let's get it plated. You can serve this with any sauces, so I've used a ranch dressing in the side. Our lovely baked chicken is ready to eat. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.